Man, I'm shivering. I'm so cold. Gotta get the B-roll. Like call it cluck and purr and yelp and 2-3 note yelps and stuff. And just remain patient. I sat 6 hours in this driving rain and cold 40-degree temps. Oh, they're coming. I gotta be quiet. They're coming. There's turkey coming. They're right here. They're right here. Right here. Got him. Got the long beard. Got the long beard, guys. I got the long beard. There he is. That was a big old flock. They were all grouped right together. What I tell you, in the rain, rainy day, what? 10-inch beard, maybe? Probably a 3-year-old. He's big. He's nice. Hello. Hey, can you see me? How now? There I am. Ha ha! There he is. My nice big tom turkey. I've got another tag to fill. Maybe I'll shoot one with my bow. I might come back out this evening. See if I can call one with my decoys and see if I can call one in. They like the roost. There's a roosting area down here. I might be able to call them into the decoys and get one down with the bow. Hopefully. Never know. Where's all this blood coming from? Got the turkey blood all over me here. Yeah, I got this blood everywhere. Yeah, I got turkey blood everywhere. Alright, nice. Gotta get this blood off my. Let's put it on the blind. There we go. Yeah, that works. Yeah, so that's one tag filled for the Maine, for the Northeastern wild turkey hunt here in Maine. It's one tag filled on a nice 10-inch beard, 3 1/4-inch spur tom turkey. He weighs good. He's heavy. So I got another tag for the spring turkey season to fill here in this zone where I live and hunt here in Maine. Right on. Yeah, man. That's a nice tom turkey. I'm stoked. Yeah, I'm shivering. Oh, Covert calling. I'm shivering, I'm so cold. Oh, sit quiet. See what? The bone collector starter kit. Got the diaphragm. It comes with a diaphragm. It's a bone collector slate pot call. So I love the strikers tuned perfectly to this pot call. It's a bone collector starter kit, turkey calling kit. Very affordable, somewhere between the $20–$30 range at Walmart. Boom. It's one of my favorite pot calls. I've got a Primo's one in here. This Primo's one's like a $35 call, or the wooden. This is a nice call too. It's different. It's not slated. The Primo's Hen Sanity call. That's a nice call too. I just brought these. That's all I brought with me. The blind is pouring today. Rainy all day. I wasn't expecting anything. I sat here since 4:30 this morning and didn't hear my first gobble until about 11 o'clock. What time was it? I heard him behind me 10:50, between 10:50 and 11 a.m. I heard a gobble behind me. And then he gobbled again to my left. When I heard him gobbling to my left, I did some real light calling. Just 2-note yelp, 2-note yelp and purring, just what I was doing. Clucking, purring, a little 2-note yelp and just some covert calling. Just called very lightly and low volume. And he immediately answered me one time, so he liked the calls. And then I shut right up, put the calls away. And he was quiet. I didn't hear him for a long time. It's because he was moving. He was coming closer. And the next time I did hear him gobble, he was facing my direction. It was louder and he was a little closer. And then he went quiet again for quite some time. And I went back to calling. I knew he wasn't far away. I knew he could hear my call, and there was no need to call too loudly. Just did that covert calling, some purring, some clucking, 2-3-note yelps, and that was it. I put the calls down and just stayed quiet, remained patient. The next time I heard him gobble, he was on the dirt road, within like 100 yards of me, down the dirt road, heading my way, and then he started gobbling closer. And he popped out right up here, got closer. He gave me about almost a 40-yard shot. I'm running, I don't have any decoys out from my blind. I kind of wish I brought at least the hen decoy. Set that up. He probably would have come right to it. He would have stayed on the dirt road and gave me 20–30-yard shot instead of a 40. But he was there was no decoys. He wasn't seeing the hen, and he was veering off to his left further, going away from me, heading. He was going to hug that edge, that woods line over there. Yeah, I don't think he would have given me a closer shot. He was within the 40 range, though. I should have killed him. I've killed turkey at 62 yards with this exact shotgun, with the 2 3/4 or whatever, number 4s, full choke. I had the full choke on. I don't know why. I missed him. I'm just assuming I missed him. He could be laying dead right over here. Because I did get a second shot off, and I think it appeared like I hit him on the second shot. So he could be down right over here. I'm gonna go check.